Right, next week's challenge is to make either sausage rolls or pasties. They can either use short crust or puff. I'm going to do the show puff and short crust, but the first one I'm doing the puff. Loads of ways of making this. It should be strong flour, I haven't got any. 300 grams of plain flour, but it should be strong. I'm only rubbing some of this in, and the rest of it I'm going to grate in. Right, so I'm going to get my grater out before I start as well. So this bit I'm going to rub in a little bit, but you don't have to rub it in very well. Got this grater here. I'm going to do it onto the chopping board. So I'm going to rub this in. There's a little bit of salt in it. It's unsalted butter. You can use salted, unsalted butter. Now, water-wise, it should be ice cold. You can see there's some ice cubes in there. I'm going to add most of that and about a teaspoon. So while I remember, I'm going to put a teaspoon of lemon juice in. You don't have to put this in. It might help strengthen the gluten a bit. So we're just going to put in tiny, about 1 teaspoon altogether. You don't need a lot. I'll use that lemon juice for something else later. So rub this in. I'm going to fully rub it in. Then I'm going to grate the butter, which is a bit unusual. You can just put it all in now, but don't rub it fully together, because if you rub it fully together it will go too short. You don't want this short. Normally you have to let it relax. If it keeps bouncing back, you need to let it relax in the oven, because the gluten should go strongly in this and it will keep on. So this one's only half rubbed in. That's good. Then I'm going to put the water in. Most of this, 140 millilitres. I'm going to put this bit in and see if I need any more. Hopefully that's not too much liquid. I should have measured that a bit better. I think the ice has melted more. I looked just now and it was about right. So I'm going to put a little bit more flour in. I need it a little bit wet because I'm going to be rolling it. If you have it too dry, you won't be able to roll it, because I'm going to roll it and it should have, well, up to 1,000 layers. That's where you get the mille fleur, 1,000 leaves to 1,000 layers. Most people only give it 4 or 5 turns. I normally do this, and I do 6 turns in 1 hour. And this will make, normally, with my year 10s, this does three lots. They make sausage rolls, pasties, and something sweet with it. But so I'm going to knead this a little bit. Then I'm going to roll it out, and I'm going to roll it out, and then 3 times longer. Oh, that's just to remind me the brownie. So I'm just going to check the brownie. I'm going to show you this. The brownie, you don't want to overcook these. These are like a normal sponge. When you take them out, they want to be a bit underdone in the middle, so they're nice and gooey. So probably not quite done. If you look in here, definitely done around the outside. Little bit not quite done, so I reckon another 2 minutes for that, but you definitely don't want to overcook it. Alexa, timer 2.5 minutes. So I'm going to do just. So I'm going to use all this stuff up in here as well. Get it all out, so when I start rolling it out, I'm going to use that later. So I'm going to roll it out 3 times longer, then I'm going to grate the butter. Now the reason of grating the butter, and it's just come out of the fridge, you can even freeze the butter. I've done that before as well. So I'm going to do it 3 times longer, so about 18 inches by 6. So that would be, yes, about 18 inches by 6, so 15 times 45. You need to make it nice and square. You can see it's going a bit like ovally shaped, so by doing that you can push it in at the sides, push it in the sides. That definitely is quite important if you can try and make it, otherwise you're not going to, the layers won't be exactly right. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. So that's roughly 3 times as long. Push it in the side, push it in the side here, push it in the side here, so it's nice and rectangle. Then we're going to do it into 3. We're not cutting it, I'm just marking it at the moment, roughly into 3. Then we're going to grate the butter.